Well, I am doing a review on a hot melt glue gun, and I can't really tell you much about it because I didn't actually buy this. My wife actually bought it for me as a surprise. So we're going to do the unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, and give her a little test because I've got a broken dinosaur. It's got a broken, it's got a broken leg. So I'm going to try it on now, see if we can glue it back together and see how good it is. Hopefully, she bought a good quality one. Like I said, I didn't actually buy it. My wife bought it for me as a little surprise because I said I needed a hot milk glue gun. So she went out and bought me one. And yes, I do believe she got it from Amazon. And I will stick a link in the video description so you can go and check it out once I find out which one it is. So with that, let's get on with it and do the unboxing. Remember this all-in-one water cooling system from SaharaGaming. I done a review some time ago, and in that review I said I would try and get you some sort of discount. Well, I finally got you one. You can save £20 when you order this water cooling system from SaharaGaming website. £20. All you have to do is when you go and check out, put the code in that I put in the link in the video description. Put that code in and you will save yourself 20 quid. And that is currently on here, running at the moment, and that is running my Ryzen 5950X, which has 16 cores on it. And I've had no issues whatsoever, touch wood. It's been working fine. If you haven't seen the video, like I said, that video there, I will stick a link in the video description. And there's also a second part of that video as well, in case you want to figure out how to do the wiring. I've also made a little video how to do that as well. So check them videos out if you're interested. If not, go straight to the website, buy this little unit, and you can save yourself 20 smackaroonies. Right, let's get her opening. Right, quick look around the packaging just to see what you're going to get for your money. So it says cordless glue gun, as you can see, and it looks like it has a tolerance of 0.3 plus or minus. DC 3.7 volt, 2200 milliamp, 10 to 15 watt. I did ask her to make sure you get one with about 60 watt, but there you go. I said, if you're going to get me one, get it for around 50, 60 watt, 10 to 15 watt. It might be right, I don't know. Ergonomic, constant temperature, 1 minute preheating. Oh, that's quite good. Energy efficient, long durability. Okay, and charging. This product uses a charger with output voltage of 5 volts. Operating instructions, warning. Yeah, it's going to be hot. We know. Lithium battery, built-in chip, charge and discharge protection, long duration, silicone nozzle protector. Right, I'm not going to read no more, let's get her out. Oh, this has been my first glue gun, by the way. I've never owned a glue gun. Never needed one before. It is cordless. Oh, got me cordless one. Oops. Not sure what that is. I'm guessing that might be for drips. A bit like me. So, with that said, so I imagine that would sit like that, and that's for that. But I could be totally wrong. I'm only guessing. What's this? Go over there. Go on there. I don't know. Like I said, I've never owned a glue gun. So USB to type, mini USB. See what the length is. Probably about 400 or 500 mil at guess. And a selection of glue. I am going to use just a plain one to start with, like one of these. But before I do anything, I need to read the instructions. These look quite nice, don't they? Ah, interesting. Yeah, I'll probably just use that one to start with. So what else to get in there? So this would be like a thank you thing or something. I don't know. Oh, what's this? It's in foreign language. Oh, insert glue. Oh, right. Quick instructions. Looking at that. All lights up. Fully charged. Okay. So it looks like we're going to have to charge it up. User manual. So that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do, like I said now, is I'm going to charge her up, have a read the instructions so I've got a good understanding on exactly what I'm doing, and then we're going to give her a little test. It's quite light actually. On off. Hold it down. Yes. Ah, interesting. Right, lever's turned off for now. So I will get back to you. Right, so it's fully charged up and ready to go. And while I was charging it up, I had a good read of the instructions, and I've looked online and found a page for it. It costs around about £22, depending on whether or not there's a discount available. So it's about £22 at the moment, and it's fully charged up now, so it's ready to go. And I found out what these are for, and yeah, they do go on your fingers. I did think they did, but it's just to stop you getting your fingers burnt. I've got quite big hands, so I'm not sure if that one's going to fit my finger, but I've got two on. Yeah, I might be struggling to get that one on. I'm not going to bother. That's tight enough as it is. So they're good enough. But that's what they're for whatever product you're going to be holding. I did wonder what that was for. And I did say they might be for that, and they are. So I've got that right, didn't I? This doesn't actually tell you what it's for, but I'm guessing it's to go like that. Let me know in the comments whether I'm wrong or not, but I think that's what that's for, is to stop any drips. Right, it also says about installing the glue. You need to do it when it's turned off. As you can see, it's turned off, so you insert that. I think. Yeah, that's it. Insert that. Well, it goes in quite a way. So that's inserted. And when you want to change it and put another one in, again, you've got to make sure it's turned off. So it's ready to go. Says it doesn't take too long to start up or get hot. So we're waiting for that to go green. So when that one's green, she's ready to go. And I have my first victim. Where's his arm? Where's his leg? His leg. Lost his leg. Oh, found it. It's right. Don't panic. So yeah, we're going to try and repair this. His leg fell off. Should clean up really, but I'm not going to. It should go back like that. So it'd be interesting to see how well it goes and how long it takes. Right, that didn't take long at all, did it? So we've got green light, so she is ready to go. And it also says this should last about 40 minutes, around about that time. So it should be long enough for what we want to do. I'm just going to test it first. Get that out of the way. Oh, there she goes. See that? Oh, that's quite quick. So I'm going to glue this first. Here we go. There. Yeah, that's it. Job done. Now, it doesn't stand up by itself, by the way, because he needs to go onto a platform, but that, it works. Like I said, this is my first ever glue gun. I've never used one before. I've seen them about. I've used them in industry, but I've never actually owned one or never had a personal one. I've used them in a manufacturing way. But yeah, works really easy, and yeah, I wouldn't touch that if I were you. That's pretty hot. That'd definitely be hot. So I like the look of it. It's ideal for what I want it for, and that's for doing simple things like this, anything around the house. Yeah, ideal. So yeah, definitely works. Definitely gets my thumbs up because it actually works. Yeah. It's old, isn't it? Yeah, very pleased. Very pleased with it. For the amount of money it cost anyway. £22. Like I said, there is a discount on there at the moment. I think it said 5%. So keep an eye out for that. Let me know in the comments what you think about glue guns. Like I said, this is my first ever glue gun. Never owned one before. And yeah, very pleased with it. So with that, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do.